Good day, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned in to the Crypto Flight Edition. It's your fellow passenger stopping in to let you guys know Dogecoin is going, to the moon. Looks like Dogecoin is down about 5.5% for the day. Is this a buy-in opportunity, or is this something that we need to take a closer look at? Either way, guys, I'm going to explain to you why Dogecoin is breaking out of a pattern that it actually broke out December 2020. I'm going to prove that to you right here in this video. And if you're just joining us, welcome in, leave an appropriate thumb, leave a comment, subscribe. This engagement truly pushes the video out there, guys. The YouTube algorithm really picks up the channel, and it helps out a lot, guys. We appreciate every single one of you. Our loyal subscribers, welcome back. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into this pattern that Dogecoin has broken out of December the 22nd. December the 20th. I'm going to show that to you guys right here in this video. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 3rd, 2021, and the current price. Now, remember, guys, these are fractional numbers, decimal points. It's going to be 1,100,000. It's 1 penny, guys. Let's just leave it at that, okay? All right, so it looks like the pattern. I'm going to reveal that to you guys right here, and it looks as so. That's it. Really simple. The pattern actually broke out. These are the 3-day candles. We're going to stick to 2 time frames only. And if you notice here, for those of you who are just completely, don't understand what charts or patterns are, rather, I'll explain to you very briefly. So this is a very bullish pattern that you're looking at. This is the pattern right here. It kind of looks, it's an inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder here. And this is the head right here. And this is the right shoulder right here. Now, the way that you determine whether or not the pattern is consolidating is obviously, well, not obviously, but for those of you who don't know, it's consolidating within this kind of constrained pattern, so to speak. It just kind of bounces up and down in there. And I know someone like, dude, who cares? It's already broken out. That's fine, guys. Just explaining this for those who just want to have an understanding, the technical reason as to why it's having an extreme move to the upside. Let's continue. So as I illustrated, the price is just kind of bouncing within this range right about here, this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and this will be considered consolidation. Okay, so what I'll do is really quickly make a measured move of how long the price has been consolidating within this pattern, okay, including the breakout. So that's 162 days. Excuse me. And I know in the previous video, we actually had a different range, and it's actually, you can do it either way, guys. You can start the consolidation range from the highest point up here, and that would be basically the all-time high. It broke down, well, it started there and it's kind of breaking out there. So there's 2 explanations, but this explanation we're going over here will be the explanation as to why it was consolidating within this inverted head and shoulders pattern, which again is a very bullish pattern. Now let me go ahead and show to you guys and prove to you here that the pattern actually broke out sometime around December, and this is the actual initial entry of the pattern here, this red circle that I just put on the chart there. And also we're going to just clone that and make it another circle right over here, if you see that. So this area here is going to be considered the official breakout of the inverted head and shoulders pattern, okay? Now, as long as the price can stay above the breakout, notice that it got really violent. You see these wicks? That's fine if it wicks. This is the shakeout, guys. You see the wick out all the way down here, close to the right shoulder of the pattern. Now, typically how you enter and exit the patterns is what you do is you actually place your bid right here on the breakout, and then your stop loss would be all the way down here, just below the right shoulder. And if you notice, you almost got stopped out right there, depending on where you put your order right there. And again, guys, it's kind of hard to explain the decimal points. The numbers here is like 313,000 and the decimals, guys. Yeah, it's weird. So let's just go ahead and continue here. So the breakout happened on December the 17th, 2020, right here on this green candle, right here on the 3-day. And if you also notice, we'll take it up to the weekly here, and you can see it's really obvious, actually. You can see how it kind of broke out of this pattern. If you can see that, maybe we could stretch it out a little bit better. So, I mean, the price has pretty much been, it has broken out last month, December, and that's why we're experiencing this extreme move to the upside. Now, typically, the way that you measure the price targets on a breakout on an inverted head and shoulders, you actually take the neckline right here. The neckline is the area where it broke out of right here at the top, if you guys can see that, okay? You measure it from there all the way to the top of the head. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take that little trend line and measure the actual price target. And yeah, the price target was actually supposed to be just at the all-time high right here. But obviously that Dogecoin had different plans there, just extremely exploded to the upside there. Let's actually do a really quick measurement of how high it actually broke out from the initial breakout of the pattern to the wick all the way at the top there. Okay, it's going to be about 257%. So we'll just close it out here, guys. I wanted to show you that Dogecoin broke out December 2020, and this is just the after effect of what the consolidation range has, the momentum that has built up within the pattern, and this is just the explosion after the breakout, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let us know, are you guys still holding Dogecoin? Are you waiting until Dogecoin gets to $1? You're not selling a single share, or sat rather. Let us know that down in the comment section, guys. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Before you go, guys, we also go over the traditional markets. If you guys are into stocks, we cover that 7 days a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that content, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you for your time. I said that. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.